So hey again, I'm glad that you're actually going through this training program. But one of the first things that we're going to want to do before you get too far along in this training program is actually set up your intake call. So that's going to be a personal call just between you and me. So it's just going to be us two. It may be one of my assistants there with me as well. So there may be one of my assistants on my side. But it's really just going to be you and me and maybe somebody from my team to help take notes during that meeting. And essentially it's just going to be a meeting where we kind of get to know each other. Mostly I kind of get to know you and who you are, what you're doing, what your passions are, how you make money, and some just general information like your available times, your different skills, your weaknesses, how connected you are, financial statuses, your employment, what you do for now, right money, what your long-term goals are, why you became a tier 5 partner, stuff like this. And it's going to be in your best benefit if you can just be as open and as honest as you possibly can, as open, honest, and transparent as you possibly can. I'm not going to judge you. I'm not going to use that information against you. It's going to be just between me and you, and it's going to allow me to actually help you in the rest of this training program when we actually have time together to know information about you and know how to help you best leverage tier 5 and the tier 5 partnership and what you actually do. So the more honest and open and transparent that you can be, the more I'll be able to actually help you, and the more I'll be able to help you leverage the tier 5 partnership and what you're doing right now and what your goals are and what you want to do in the future. So you can go ahead and schedule that intake call below. They're usually between 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and we can get done with them. So there's a link right below. You can go ahead and schedule that intake call, and that's one of the first things that you should try to do before moving forward, okay?